Hi, Umit here from Mobile Geeks, and in the last video I talked about Fortnite, its exclusivity and why it's not available on the Google Play Store. Now a lot of people ask me if their phone is actually supported and how to install it on their device. So in this video I want to talk about how to install it on Samsung phones and other Android phones that are supported. If you own one of the displayed Samsung smartphones or tablets, the game will be natively supported and you should be able to download it. The benefit of being a Samsung user is that you don't have to apply for the beta and don't need an invite. Furthermore, everyone that owns a Note 9 or Galaxy Tab S4 will get the Galaxy Man skin for free. There is also a special offer for people who pre-order the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 until August 23. You can either choose between 15,000 V-Bucks or a pair of AKG noise cancelling headphones. If you want both at once, you have to pay $99 more. To download it the easy way, just search for the Galaxy App Store on your device, which offers you the game with a banner. Just download it, start the installer app, let it finish and you're good to go. Everyone who doesn't own a Samsung phone and doesn't have root access has to visit the website of Epic Games. Here you can see what smartphones are currently supported. Answer the question and either log in with your Epic account or register a new one and choose the phone which you want to play it with. Once you did that, you'll get an email with the link to download the Fortnite installer app. After the download, you can start it. The system will probably warn you that doing this might have some risks and it might ask you to allow installing apps from unknown sources, which you probably need to do in the settings by following the instructions that the phone gives to you. But just be careful to download the APK from the official website and not third-party websites, since otherwise it might be fake or infested by malware. Once the installation is done, you can launch the app. The app will now preload all the additional game data that you need to be able to play. Afterwards, it will tell you that you're on the waiting list and you have to wait for an invite. As for now, we don't really know how long this application process is, so it may take several hours, days or weeks, but once you get the invitation, you can start playing. That was it for this video. Make sure to check our hands-on of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 because it might be the best business smartphone. And if you like this video, feel free to give us a like, otherwise the dislike button is right next to it. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future content. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Umit from Mobile Geeks.